Hello, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto on your Coinbase Pro account. Coinbase Pro is one of the most trusted platforms for trading cryptocurrency. It offers individuals the ability to trade a variety of digital assets on a secure insurance-backed platform. It comes with an intuitive interface with real-time order books, charting tools, trade history, and a simple order process so you can trade from day one. Alright, let me open the app. Here's how Coinbase Pro looks like. Below, you'll see menu tabs such as Dashboard, Portfolio, Orders, and Profile Settings. To deposit crypto from other wallets or exchange, tap on Portfolio. Here, you will see your available balance, orders, and the coins you have. For you to deposit crypto to your Coinbase Pro account, tap on Deposit. Here, you can scroll down and look for the token you want to deposit, or you can search on the search bar. Let me look for BTC or Bitcoin. To add fund on your Coinbase Pro account, you have two options: via crypto address or Coinbase.com transfer. With crypto address, you will be depositing crypto from other wallet into your Coinbase Pro account. To do it, you just scan the QR code or copy the wallet address. Let me give you a sample. In my case, I will use my Celsius wallet to deposit Bitcoin to my Coinbase Pro account. By the way, if you haven't registered on Celsius Network, check video description for the sign up link and get $40 worth of Bitcoin when you deposit your first $400 worth of crypto and you keep it for 30 days. Now, you copy your Bitcoin address from your Coinbase Pro account and then paste it here and just click on Confirm Withdrawal. Another way is by transferring funds from your Coinbase.com account. With this process, you can instantly transfer funds from your Coinbase.com account into your Coinbase Pro account. Since you cannot fund your Coinbase Pro account using a debit card, as it's only supported on Coinbase.com app, so you'll have to link both. Let's try a different token. Let's pick ETH or Ethereum. Please remember, only send Ether or ETH to this address. Sending any other assets, including Ethereum Classic, will result in permanent loss. Click on I understand. Here, you can scan the QR code or copy the address to deposit. Please note you cannot buy crypto using your credit card on Coinbase Pro, so it will only be crypto deposits from external wallet. This time, I'll show you how to withdraw your crypto on Coinbase Pro. Go to Portfolio again and tap on Withdraw. And then select the token you want to withdraw by scrolling down, or you can search the token on the search bar. Let me look for Mana or Decentraland. Here you have two options: to withdraw via crypto address or into your Coinbase.com account. For crypto address, you'll have to paste your external wallet address here. In my case, I will use my Celsius wallet to receive my crypto withdrawal. Let me open my Celsius app and copy my Mana address. And paste it here. Input the amount. Once decided, tap on Withdraw Mana. The second option is to transfer fund into your Coinbase.com account. In doing so, you can instantly withdraw your funds to your Coinbase.com account into your external wallet or to your local bank. Here, you just input the amount of your withdrawal and just tap on Withdraw Mana. Let me give you another sample. Let's try Bitcoin. Here, you have two options. Tap on the crypto address to withdraw your Bitcoin into your external wallet. For me, it will be Celsius wallet. Let me copy my Bitcoin address on my Celsius app. Once copied, go back to your Coinbase Pro account and paste the Bitcoin address here. Input the amount and just tap on Withdraw BTC. Another way is to tap on Withdraw using Coinbase.com, where you can instantly transfer funds from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase.com app. With Coinbase.com account, you can withdraw to your external wallet or into your local bank. You just have to link your bank account. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.